Hey guys, welcome back with another stunning video. Guys, in this video we will discuss that if you find a problem that when you try to purchase any app or download any app in App Store and iPhone or iPad, you find a problem that there is a billing problem with a family member's previous purchase. Ask the family organizer to update their billing information. So how can you fix this problem? So guys, we can easily fix this problem. So first of all guys, you may open the settings of your iPhone or iPad and guys click on your Apple ID name and guys you may click here on payments and shipping and guys you may check that if there is an error with your payment method you may remove your payment method and update it again or add a new payment method. So guys, the second method is you may check that there are enough funds or balance in your account to purchase any app or any other subscription. The third method is that you may ask or allow through your bank for international transactions. Then guys you may click on subscription and check that if there is any pending or overdue subscription you may cancel it or pay it. Then guys you may click on media and purchases, you may click here and click on view account, click on country region, click on change country or region and guys you may select your country from here. If you live in USA or any other country you may select that country. So you have to wait for some second guys. These are terms and conditions. Click on agree on top right corner to accept these terms and conditions. And guys here you may add your credit card, debit card or PayPal account. And guys you may write the numbers of your credit debit card here. And guys you may write your first name, last name and your billing address. Then click on next and guys your payment method will be updated and your country region will be changed and you can purchase any app or subscription or download any app easily. The last method is guys, if your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, you may open any browser and in search bar you may write here support.apple.com. So you may select your gadget here and in the last here is the option of get support. So you may click here on start now. Here is the option of subscription and purchases. Click here and click on unable to purchase. Then click on continue. So here is the option of call us, you may click here. These numbers will be show guys. You may contact Apple support team on these numbers and ask them your problem and they will fix your problem in within few minutes. So by all these methods guys you can fix this problem easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.